Hi. Sa video namin ni Zach on mas madali bang mag-migrate sa New Zealand than Australia, ah, I mentioned there na pwede dito age 45 and above. So marami tayong nakuhang inquiries saying na, oh, I'm 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. Tinatanong kung pwede pa. Qualification lang ho, the age limit for residency is 55 years old. But if you're going to study, there is no age limit. But if you're after residency, ang limit po is age 55. So if you're medyo nearing that age, you might want to give this opportunity to your children na lang. Diba? They may have a better chance kasi kaya pa maging residente. Alright, thank you very much po and I'll see you in New Zealand.